Hey guys, just got some stuff in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox it for you, and yeah, well, let's get her started. So today, this did not come in the mail, but today down at my local bike shop, scooter shop, whatever you want to say, because it's both, picked up the new Lucky Clover. So, pretty hyped on that. So that's one item. And then I got some of these, got some new bars. So, it says Reaper on them. I got the lucky prize, so I'm really hoping it's not Reaper bars. But let's just cut these open. And if it's the right bars, it should be the Lucky OS V3 prize in raw. Okay, perfect. Got my black Super Softs. That's not even in focus, but whatever. Let's just do that. That's fine. So black ODI Super Softs. And then the bars. Let's just slap that out of the way. Cut these bitches open. Oh damn. So, Lucky Pry. Right there. Raw pry bar. I think these look actually pretty sick. They're 24 by 24. Probably gonna cut them down to about 22 high. But yeah, that's it. Got some more stuff in the mail. Should be coming tomorrow. Wheels, headset. Didn't get new forks or clamp because I like my compression. But yeah, once everything's here and I'll get everything, I'll just put it all together and add on to all this. Okay, so package number 2, my wheels and headset. Let's just get right into there, open her up. And then how the fuck am I supposed to do this part? Ooh. Fuck. Fuck it, it's just cardboard. Nothing special. I'm not gonna fucking care if I break it. Holy fuck, they package this shit good. Holy fuck. Okay, so I got a Cult headset and paper. Some Lucky 10s, white on gunmetal. I'm liking them. They look cool. I like the look. They're gonna look good on my setup. So I'll just quickly throw this all together and yeah,